made for.
Welcome to an Outline Garage Tech Tip. So today we're going to demonstrate how to remove a Coyote harmonic balancer pulley without the special tool. So the issue we had, you can actually use a Chrysler harmonic balancer puller. This part number is right here. We borrowed this from O'Reilly's. The Coyote has these little tabs which the hooks will hook onto. The problem is that the bolt isn't long enough to hit the front of the crankshaft. So being that we're not reusing the crank bolt, we went ahead and inserted it in. The only issue is that there's not enough clearance to go completely through the crank pulley. So what I ended up doing is I took a 1/2-inch socket, made a spacer, and then go ahead and threaded it into the front of the crankshaft. This giving us the amount of space to put the pulley or the puller on, and then go ahead and cranking down, and then essentially pulling out the crank pulley. So I just wanted to let you guys know, so you don't have to order the $160 part from American Muscle or other various locations. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below for more tech tips and more content, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I helped you guys out. See you next time.